The property disclosure document is more than just a formality. It's an essential part of maintaining transparency and trust between the buyer and the seller in the home selling process. Not only does it give the buyer more information about the home, but can also protect you from any future legal claims and ensure a smooth transaction. Now that you've selected your plan and given us the information that we need to populate the MLS, it's time to create your listing's property disclosure document. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through some key parts of the property disclosure and what you need to know to complete it. So let's get started. Before you move on, you should know that not every seller has to fill out the property disclosure. Depending on where your property is located, certain exemptions may apply. And some of the most common ones that we see include things like new construction, homes that were inherited via an estate or trust, or property with no dwelling on it. To put it plainly, if you don't have any personal knowledge of the property, it's likely that you're not required to complete the property disclosure. If you believe that you should be exempt or just want to see the full list of possible exemptions, just answer yes to the question below and select the option that applies to you. For everybody else, we've done our best to make completing the property disclosure as easy as possible for you. So over the next several steps, you're going to be asked questions that'll give buyers insight into the condition of your property. This will vary from area to area, but you can expect to answer questions on things like the structure of the home, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and more. To effectively complete the property disclosure, simply respond to each question honestly and to the best of your knowledge. If you ever feel tempted to keep any information from potential buyers, just keep in mind that they're going to have an opportunity to inspect the property. And I've seen plenty of deals blow up based on defects that were found during inspection. So my advice is always to disclose, 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 and that way everyone stays on the same page. After answering all the questions, make sure to take a moment to do a final review of the actual document we create and make sure that all the information is included and in the right spot. And after that, you can sign it electronically and you're done. I cannot understate the importance of the property disclosure, and with Falaya, you can rest assured that we're with you every step of the way throughout your home selling journey. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our team and we'd be happy to help.